starting the next day. Oh no, we're starting tomorrow.
I don't know, I just think I'm feeling a little insecure. That's broken. And it's not working well for us. Good morning, you guys. Happy Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. It is, what time is it? 12:40, 12:39 to be precise. I don't want to lie to you. It is 12:39, about to be 12:40. I've done absolutely nothing with my day. I feel like I'm going a little stir crazy. Would you guys believe me if I told you that I still don't have access to all my logins for my new job? It's been a time, to say the least. It hasn't been the most smooth transition, I'll be honest, but I really can't complain. I'm trying to make the best of it. I'm doing a lot of editing, a lot of YouTube work. I've got my laptop exporting as we speak. It literally sounds like a rocket about to take off. Yeah. Anyway, I'm about to take a lunch break because I've had such a long, stressful day at work. I really deserve this lunch break. I've done absolutely nothing, guys. I feel so unproductive, but it's out of my control, out of my hands. I can't really go too much into detail, but my new team that I'm working for is merging into my company, the one that I work for. Oh, it's really hard to explain. Let's just say I work for A, but I just accepted a new position in company B, and company B has been bought by company A. I don't know if bought is the right word, but they're like merging to become one, and I am a part of that transition project, which is good. It's interesting. It's like something new, something fresh, but yeah, it hasn't been the most smooth, seamless transition, so I'm just working on getting those logins. In other news, and in better news, our Premier just announced that our 7-day lockdown is on track to finish, so hopefully restrictions will start easing as of Wednesday, which is just like the best news ever. I'm just so happy for all the small businesses, so happy for everyone that is struggling with this lockdown. Obviously, like I said, it really hasn't impacted me a whole lot. Obviously, it's not about me, it's about other people, and other people have really been struggling. So still sending all my love to everyone else that is going through lockdown. Like, I can't even imagine 7 days is enough, honestly. I saw on the news and all over social media the protests in Victoria and New South Wales, and it actually astounds me, like how selfish some human beings can be. Like, I really can't comprehend it. Imagine just only thinking about yourself. Can't relate. It just sucks for all the people that are doing it tough and the people that are actually doing the right thing and staying at home, and then you have these stupid idiots out there like, I can't. But yeah, just grateful right now, grateful to be a South Australian, and excited to get back after it. I had every intention of getting back to the gym last week, but then the lockdowns were announced, so hopefully with the restrictions easing, I'll be able to get back after it. I think they are opening, but there's like weird square meterage people. I'm not exactly sure what the goal is with that, but I'm sure we'll find out as we go. Hopefully it means just, you know, less interaction with other people, less gym bros around me. That would be nice. I can work out in peace. Good morning, guys. Oh, good afternoon. It's 12:01. Yeah, happy Tuesday. It is 12 o'clock. Nick and I are just about to do something a little bit naughty for a Tuesday midday. I'm having my lunch break right now, and we are going on a walk because the sun is out, or it was out. It's disappeared suddenly, but it's not raining for once in a bloody lifetime. So yeah, we're gonna make the most of it. Just get out of the house. Nick has had a bad day at work, haven't you, Dal?
It's been alright.
It's been a bad day. Got a little breakdown. It's fine. We got through it. I have access, well, some access to some of my logins, which is exciting development. So hopefully this afternoon I'll be able to take my first call in like over a week. Can't believe it's been 8 days since I was meant to have my logins. 8 days.
I loved watching your vlog last night, and so I'm starting my new job tomorrow. Just haven't got my logins. Starting the next day. Oh no, we're starting tomorrow.
And here we are.
Oh, so
bloody
naive.
Tuesday. It's so naive I was.
Ella, honestly.
Anyway, yeah, we're gonna go for a walk, and we are also gonna get a coffee because lockdown has been lifted, or as of midnight tonight. So it's like a celebratory lockdown is ending coffee
as well.
Oh, con. Oh, no, we have heaps of food. coffee has been obtained. Look at my keyboard just flying through the bloody window. This just perfectly summarizes how I'm feeling about work right now. Yeah, we planned our walk perfectly because it looks like it's about to start pouring. It started getting so windy out there, so we timed that perfectly. I have just gulped down some food and now I have a call with some people from my training group. Bless you!
Do you want a photo?
First day of school after lockdown. Do you need a mask?
Yeah, go on.
Let's see your OOTD. Looking sharp.
That's good. Do you want me to talk you through it?
Yeah, talk us through it.
Wait, is this Industry, the shirt?
Yeah.
R.M. Williams, French Connection, R.M. Williams boots, and then my usual watch and ring and Ray-Bans.
Love you.
Love you too. Have a good day. I'll see you tonight.
Happy Wednesday, happy hump day. This is the humpiest hump days ever. I woke up today thinking that it was Thursday and I just feel like there's no coming back from that. I'm also having a bit of identity crisis. I kind of just came to the realization that lockdown has been lifted here in Adelaide, but my life really isn't changing. My day-to-day life from Monday to Friday hasn't really changed, even though restrictions have been lifted. I guess like going to the gym and like going out and doing stuff, I don't know. I think it's just like working from home and that being like all I do and like not actually really being able to talk about my job a whole lot because it is so confidential. I don't know, I just think I'm feeling a little insecure about the entertainment levels of my life. I just don't think my life is that interesting, but I will continue to persevere. I will continue to vlog for you guys as long as people keep watching and enjoying my content. Yeah, I'm just on my lunch break. I'm gonna have some leftover pizza that we made last night. Let me show you guys. It's just some seasoned chicken with a bit of black pepper and paprika, a barbecue base, spinach, capsicum, and some cheese. Good morning, you guys, and happy Thursday. It is another beautiful day here in Adelaide. I feel like I haven't uttered those words in a very long time because it's just been like constant rain, but the sun is shining, which always puts me in the best mood. And I've just been sitting here having my breakfast, reading my book. I'm reading The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. And yeah, just sitting here admiring my beautiful living room. I don't think I showed you guys, but after we put those photos up in last week's vlog, we ended up like rearranging our whole living room pretty much. Do you ever do that? You like add one piece of decor, like change one thing, and then you end up like rearranging everything? That's kind of what we did. So I thought I'd show you guys. I need your opinion as well on what we should do with this situation. So you guys saw, if you watched last week's vlog, we hung up these photos. They're from our engagement shoot. Finally, we've been meaning to do it for ages. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. We kind of did this like freehand, so it's not perfect, but like good enough. But now that we're looking at it, we're like, do we need to add more, or would that be overkill? I don't know. I was thinking either like another row or like maybe 2 rows, so 9 photos total. I don't know. But just something isn't sitting right with me and I'm not sure what it is. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. Maybe we need to like move them across. I'm not sure. But yeah, this is how the living room is looking. We have our beautiful photos. I added this plant that was in our bedroom. Got our basket from IKEA with our blankets. Plant stands the same. And then we actually ended up moving this white side table from over here. And I put this, which I was originally going to move. This is my old nightstand, but I only had one because in our old apartment we could only fit one. And then I tried to find a matching one and they don't sell it anymore. It's from Kmart like a year ago. So we have new nightstands. I wasn't sure what to do with this. I was just going to put it in like my office getting ready room, but I thought it kind of worked in here. So now we have 2 little side tables. Like it kind of opens it up a little bit as well. So yeah, this is what the living room is looking like. I think it's coming along very nicely. Over here is another story. We have our washing drying in here at the moment because it's been constantly raining apart from today. Look at that, stunning. Thank you, Miss Mother Nature. This is our dining room table. I think I've showed you guys. It just looks absolutely pathetic in this space. It was a perfect size in our last apartment. We couldn't have fit anything bigger, but now it just looks absolutely just not a vibe. I'll insert the photo of the one we're thinking of getting. It's a lot bigger than this, so it will take up most of this area, but I just think it will be so nice to have like an actual proper seating space. It is almost 12 o'clock. I'm just waiting on a call back from my tea, so I'm gonna head out on a walk while I wait and while the weather is still nice. My walk, that was so good, just to get outside and get some fresh air. My AirPods ended up dying, so I'm gonna charge these, and then I have a call in about 5 minutes with my team. Yeah, it's pretty chill day. Like I said, I'm having some technical issues. IT still haven't called, so I need to figure that out. I also wore my new shoes, obsessed. I actually wore them for the first time earlier this week and they ended up giving me really bad blisters, but this time they weren't too bad. It's like my first time in weeks that I don't need my blanket. I also don't even need this, but I don't really have anything on underneath, low-key. My meeting is over. I found my blue light glasses the other day and I put them on, and oh my god, I kept getting headaches and I was like, oh, maybe I'm not hydrated enough, maybe I'm having too much caffeine, but like I drink so much water, I'm literally peeing every bloody 5 seconds, and I don't have that much caffeine, like 1, maybe 2 coffees a day. And then I was doing some tidying up on the weekend and I found my blue light glasses and I was like, oh my god, maybe it's because I'm bloody looking at a screen all day every day. Even after I finish work, I'm looking at a screen, like with YouTube and social media and stuff. So yeah, my eyes feel well rested, they feel great. I've just made myself a quick little lunch. Let me walk you through it, shall we? Sorry, the camera just wants to focus on my face. This is not about me right now, it's about the food. I've just got a couple of burger thins with some lettuce, cheese, and avocado. I don't know what's gonna taste good, but that's just what I felt like. I cut up a carrot, and then I'm gonna have some capsicum dip with roasted cashews. I have a couple of Instagram stories that I need to prep for tonight. I sent them through to a brand for approval, but I just need to adjust a few things, so I'm gonna do that. Yeah, I have a video going up tonight, which I'm really excited about. It's just a good day to be alive. The sun is shining. Still haven't had anything from my tea, so we're just gonna sit tight. Let's try this. I haven't tried this dip. I got it from Aldi. That's good. Is that bloody... Oh my god. Are you seeing that right now? Okay, well, that's broken. I thought it was Nick forgetting to close the pantry door yet again, but apparently it's just refusing to close. Anyway, happy Friday. I hope you guys are all having a lovely day. It is Coffee Friday. We did get our coffee, felt great. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably like our 3rd bought coffee this week. We've been very slack. We've been buying a lot of barista made coffees. Yeah, it's 1:10. I'm just on my lunch break. I'm gonna make myself something to eat. I might actually start making dinner because normally we would have takeaway on a Friday. We had it on Wednesday instead because I just refused to cook. And so I've like swapped over what meals we had planned for this week. And so I have to cook tonight, but I know that as soon as I'm done with work, I just won't feel like cooking. So I think I'm gonna cook now, so it's just like ready to go and I can just heat it up. So I would say hello, happy Friday. I hope you guys are all having a good day. My wedding planning vlog, my 2nd wedding planning vlog went up last night. You guys are really seeming to enjoy that. I also have another video that I want to plan for tomorrow. Nick is out for most of the day tomorrow, and so I was like, may as well be productive with my time and while I have the house free to myself. So I'm gonna film a bit of a different video, kind of like a monthly reset, doing some goal setting, some organization, and also talking about my budget and like budgeting for the month. Money is something that I really want to focus on a little bit more for the rest of this year. I just feel like it's such a taboo thing almost. And I feel like there's not enough educational resources around it, particularly for women. So yeah, it's definitely something I want to focus more on my channel. It makes me a little nervous talking about it because I feel like it opens you up to like criticism and like I don't know, it's quite a personal thing, but at the same time, if I can help people out there, I really want to. And I feel like just showing how I budget or like my thought process around money can be really helpful. So yeah, I need to plan that video out. Just feeling good about YouTube at the moment. I feel like I'm on a good routine with things. I think I said a few days ago that I was like having an identity crisis, and I'll be honest, I still am. Just having a moment of self-doubt, a little bit of imposter syndrome, but what else is new? That's my life. I've got a really cute fit on right now. She's a fashionista. I stole Nick's jumper again. I am incapable of wearing clothes apparently. There's just something about a men's jumper that just, it hits different, you know? Good morning, you guys. Happy Sunday. I don't think I picked up the camera at all yesterday. Whoopsies. I was just so busy filming my other video, which will be up on Thursday. I'm really happy with it. I feel like it just turned out so good. I don't know. Something a bit different, something a bit fun, just to spice things up. But Nick's just got home from pre-season cricket training. Now we're gonna go for a walk while the weather is nice. Gonna get a coffee, get our steps in. My work is doing like this Olympic like challenge thing, so each team like records their steps for the day and then we work out like what the average is, and I just want to get my steps in for Team Lau. I desperately need to clean up my office. I like completely destroyed it while I was filming yesterday. I had to rearrange everything because the lighting was really bad and I had to put my ring light somewhere. So this is what it's looking like right now. A disaster. While I wait for Nick, I think I'm gonna clean this up. Smoothie bowls. What'd you get then?
Peanut butter cup. It's like a chocolate base and it has bananas, strawberries. It's like a peanut thing. Coconut yogurt.
Yogurt.
And I got the Snickers, please. Okay, we went for our walk and now we are at the shops. We're going to do our grocery shopping. We've been off our grocery shopping routine and it's not working well for us. It's a Sunday and the shops are really busy. Normally we'll go on a Monday night, like just after work, get it done. Why did we go last week?
There was a reason. Because we do our meal planning a week in advance, but in that we had accounted for going to your parents on Sunday night.
Oh yeah, that's right.
And then obviously with lockdown we couldn't, so we didn't have anything to cook. We're going in and we look like robbers.
A lot of robbers around these days with COVID.